Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm with you with the 7th part of the series of psychology videos of candles. I want to talk about some important candles. Okay, let's go. So far, 6 episodes of their Psychology of Candles have been uploaded on their channel. Be sure to watch their previous episodes to learn important points from those videos. Today, I'm with you with the 7th episode of these videos. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and send it to your friends. The links to register the platforms are in the description section below all the videos. Click on the link, get a demo account of $10,000 and start practicing and trading. Okay, let's go to today's video. Very well. In today's video, we want to talk about a series of important candles in the psychology of candles. What are these candles, and if we see them in the market, how can we trade using their behavior? The candles that we want to talk about today are reversal candles and continuation candles. But which candles are these candles? The Marblzo candle, the British hammer candle, British inverted hammer, bullish hammer, bullish inverted hammer, British spinning top, bullish spinning top, and doji candles. These candles are very important candles that show different behavior in the chart. We should know how we can trade by analyzing their behavior when we see these candles. But let me tell you one thing first. If you see doji candles on the chart, you should be careful and do not trade. Doji candles are a sign of indecision and war between buyers and sellers. And it's better not to trade if you see these candles in the market. All these are reversal and continuation candles, but the main topic of our video is about these candles, and we prefer not to trade using doji candles. All these candles have a similar behavior with each other. That is, if these candles are placed in the middle of the trend, they cause the trend to continue, and if they are placed on the level, they cause the trend to return. Now, we want to review some examples together to give you more explanations about these candles. Suppose we have a downward momentum trend, and then a hammer candle is formed in this momentum trend. How do we know if we should trade sell or buy after this candle? If this candle is far from the level and does not form on the level, we can follow the trend in the next trade. And let's make a sell trade. This is our level or SNR. Don't forget that in this video, when we talk about the trend, we mean the momentum trend. So, when this candle is far from the level, it means that it is formed in the middle of the trend and it is a continuation candle. Suppose we have a downward momentum trend and our hammer candle is formed on the level. It can be a powerful level. It can be a round number level. And our candle received pressure from the level. So, we can accompany the buyers, and this candle will cause a reversal of the trend. Again, in a downward momentum trend, if an inverted hammer candle is formed on the level, it can cause a reversal of the trend. But if our inverted hammer candle has crossed the level or is formed at a distance from the level, that means suppose our level is here and a gap is formed, so we can join the sellers. And here again, our candle is a continuation candle, but these two candles are reversal candles. And on the contrary, in the upward trend, if an inverted hammer candle is formed in green, and if this candle is far from the level, we can feel free to go higher trade. Let me explain one point. We have a powerful momentum trend. Okay? The green candle. The open price has a start with the buyers. The close price of the candle is also in the hands of the buyers. The color of the candle is green, so the power is still in the hands of the buyers. But where are the sellers here? So you can easily see the power of the buyers versus the power of sellers. So we can higher trade here. and this gap will be filled with buyers. But if in the same process an inverted hammer candle is formed on the level, this time the sellers are here and here, and there are a lot of sellers on this level. That's why it causes the trend to reverse. Again, in the upward trend, if the hammer candle is formed on the level, the probability of the trend reversal is very high. But if the same candle is formed at a distance from the level or crosses the level and forms a gap, we can join the buyers. Okay? The examples I gave you were hammer and inverted hammer candles, but spinning top and Marbozu candles also behave similar to these candles. Let me give you an example. Suppose a Marbozu candlestick crosses the level or is far from the level in the downward momentum trend. So this candle can cause the trend to continue. And here is a continuation candlestick. Again, in the trend of momentum or bullish momentum, if the Marbozu candle is formed on the level, it can cause the trend to reverse. In the same momentum trend, if a red spinning top candle is formed on the level, it will cause the trend to reverse. Also, if it is formed after the level or at a distance from the level, it will cause the continuation of the trend. Also, in the upward trend, a green spinning top candlestick, if it is formed at a distance from the level because of the momentum trend, the formation of a green candle and the distance or gap to the level, we can enter a buy trade or higher trade. In the momentum trend, a spinning top candle on the level and causing the trend to reverse. If a doji candle is formed on the level in the momentum trend, it means there is a possibility of trend reversal. And if in the same trend a doji candle is formed with a distance from the level, there is a possibility of continuing the trend. An important point: in reversal candles like here, 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 and here, if we have a normal trend instead of a momentum trend, That is, our trend consists of green and red candles. These patterns will be stronger. That is, they will have a higher win rate. The examples we gave in this video were about momentum trends. Well, my dears, in future live trade videos, I will do various trades using these candles so that you can learn the tips well and the topic is clear for you. Be sure to watch the videos carefully, take notes, and then go to the chart and try find and analyze the points in the chart. This repetition and practice will help you to learn everything well. Again, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. The links to register on the platforms are in the description section below all the videos of the channel. Click on the link, get a demo account of $10,000 and start practicing and trading. Don't forget, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.